Excuse me.
Hello?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Are you the one in charge here?
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
That's Bedea.
Eh?
I want to talk to
You see, you're removing
Number
registration
plates.
plates and so on. We are told there's voting happening here.
Here in this very place.
Who are you?
No.
You're in charge. Come.
Yeah.
You said you're called who? You said you're in charge. I don't bring Lugezi you, eh?
There's vote rigging going on here. That is why we're here.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Where are you going?
We have come here. We want to establish. Don't touch me, please. We want to establish what's happening here. We're told there's vote rigging here.
We are seeing cars being
Yes, so we want to access and talk to whoever is in charge. Eh?
Yeah.
Don't allow this man to touch me. Eh? Hey.
Yeah. Don't. This is an establishment.
Don't allow this. We have had this vote rigging happening here. Who is in charge?
We are told there's vote rigging going on here. And that is why we have come here.
I want to talk to whoever is in charge.
We want the person who is in charge here. You are removing number plates from cars.
the one in
You're
charge?
seeing what is happening.
Yes, that's
You see what is happening?
You're removing vote.
You see what is happening here? Why are you taking him? Kindly don't take him.
Hey, don't intimidate people, eh? Don't intimidate anyone.
Hey!
Kila watu wafume
Why are you entering here? Where are those big officials?
Why
Can I
are
talk to
you removing number plates?
So who are you?
Of cars here?
Wemba ndi mu nyumba yangu. You talk to him. This is my place. I cannot tell him.
Why are you people removing
Back the old So oyingiro tya makabomu.
Lwaki
Kyagala kyenkoleramu. Gano makagala kyagala kyenkoleramu.
Nedda.